Hello folks, and welcome to another GoPro video. So guys, I've treated myself to another GoPro accessory. So, do you want to see what I bought? The clue's in the thumbnail. So guys, if you haven't already worked out what I've bought, this is it. So guys, a bit of reflection on the box. So guys, I have treated myself to the GoPro Display Mod. So guys, before we get into it, I know that the GoPro Display Mod's had a little bit of a bad press, and perhaps some of the reviews have not been particularly favourable. But for me, when I'm sort of vlogging guys, I like to actually see that I'm properly in the frame, but also you can actually see what's behind you. So if there's somebody like Karen pulling a funny face behind me, then at least I can see what she's up to. But seriously, I do like to see what's sort of behind me, as well as sort of make sure that I'm in the frame, guys. So I know it's had a bit of a bad press and not particularly good favourable reviews, as I say guys, but I'm going to give it a try and see how we get on. So this is not actually a proper demonstration of the display mod. We're just going to take a look at it because I haven't really used it in anger for vlogging yet, but that will be rectified very, very soon, guys. So what we're going to do is take a look and see what we got in the box. Now, as usual with this channel, I'm not going to unboxing, so let's see what we get in the box. So guys, what do we get in the box? Well, we get one of these. Is that going to focus? Yep. So we're going to get a user manual, quick start guide type of thing, various languages, mainly pictures guys, not much explanation. We also get a safety instructions, how to dispose of it, etc, 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 but we get safety instructions, and that's somebody's alarm just chirped. So we get safety instructions, right, and then we get a USB lead for charging. So on one end, I think that is a type, is that type A? I think that's a type A, guys. I don't really know my USB leads that well, actually. So I think that's a type C on the end there, guys. I think that's a type C. So we get one of these, and we get a really, really nice case. I put it in, so nice sort of plastic case there, guys, fairly well padded, so nice little case, guys. And finally we come to the main event. So that is, well, you can see that, it's a bit of reflection on there. So that is the media mod itself, with a very short lead to connect to your camera, and that's the, I don't know why you can see that, but that's the hot shoe part that actually, or cold shoe that actually slides into the top of the GoPro. So basically there's nothing on there at all, switches wise or anything like that on that end. Again, I don't know how well you're going to see, but there's your port for charging and the port and an on-off switch, and that is really it. It's exactly the same screen, guys, as you actually get on the GoPro. So that's what we get, and we get, it all comes in this huge box. I don't know why they couldn't make the pack in half the size of that. It'd be better for the environment, guys, but it seems a rather large box for a little accessory. Anyway, guys, I'm going to hook it up to the GoPro, and we can see how that works, how it slots onto the GoPro, and hopefully you might get to see how well the image is on the screen. I don't know how well it's going to pick up on the camera, but we'll hook it up to the GoPro and see what it looks like. So folks, here's my GoPro Hero 8, or Hero 8 Black. Now, in order to use the display mod, guys, we need to have the media mod, because it's got the cold shoes on the top. So I'll try and sort of show this on camera if I can. So what we do, we take our GoPro and we just slide that into the top hot shoe. Now it's a bit of a, give it a bit of a push. So that's it connected, guys. I don't know whether you can see that on the camera, but that's it connected. And then obviously we can do that. So that's it onto the actually GoPro itself. So now, let's remember guys to take the little plastic sort of protector off of the lead. And then what we've got to do guys, and this is where I think it's a bit of a fiddle, because, I don't know, well you can see that just in here. Will it focus? Hopefully it will. But what we have to do, this has to go, I'm going to try and do it into, I've got it the right way around, so that's got to push into there. So that's now into there guys, right? Yeah, so now comes the moment of truth. I forgot to mention guys in previously that this has its own little rechargeable battery, so and actually when I charged it up it was pretty flat when I had it guys, and it only took about 4 hours, which I was quite surprised, and that was actually being charged off my laptop. So, so that's what it looks like. It adds quite a bit of weight to it guys as well. So now then, where's the on off button? I can't find the off. So what we're going to do now guys, I don't know why you can see it, but if I power it up, so GoPro's now on. So I can flip it up guys, there you can see it, so you can flip it up. Oh, and at the minute guys we are just using the GoPro screen. Hello. Ooh. So we're using the GoPro screen, yeah. But what we do is guys, if I flip it down, it's a bit of a fiddle, I'll flip it down. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Eh? So when you got it flipped down, this part here is actually hiding the on and off button. Way to go GoPro. So we flip it up, right, and press and hold that. Press and hold the on and off button guys. You can see the screen, the GoPro screen has come on. Yeah, I'm assuming it's on. So that's in vlog style. So now I'm holding it like that. So I'm now in vlog style, and I can see myself in the screen guys. So that's basically what it looks like. Obviously when you're vlogging guys you'd have something on the bottom of your GoPro, but that's what it looks like there guys. So I can bring it a little bit closer. So there you go, that's the that's looking at the camera guys there. Now what you do is if you flick the screen down so it stays on, and you can use it as a just like the normal screen on the GoPro, yeah. You see that guys? I don't know why you can see that. Yeah. But the problem with that is this is not a touch screen. Yeah. So you can have it like that, but you can't change any of the settings, which don't know, might be a bit of a pain, but when it's like that guys, you can't change any of the settings. So in order to change the settings, we have to, again, we have to turn that screen off. And then the GoPro screen comes on guys, so then we can change the settings. So let me see if I can actually show you that happening. Right, so at the minute the GoPro screen is on, so I'm trying not to drop anything. So guys, the GoPro screen is on. Yeah, so you can see that guys, yeah. Now if I turn it round, so in vlog style, so if I now turn the GoPro screen on, yeah, my screen's gone off. So you see guys, my screen's gone off, and we are on the GoPro screen. So guys, there you go. That is the GoPro Display Mod. So I haven't actually used it. I'm going to turn it off. I haven't actually used it for vlogging, if you like guys. That will come later. So I don't really know how well it's going to perform. One thing I'm not so sure about, I'm assuming that when you use the display mod, so the GoPro screen turns off, I'm assuming that will actually perhaps save a little bit of battery life in the GoPro, because it's actually using the display mod screen. So hopefully that might give us a little bit more battery life, because battery life on the GoPros aren't particularly brilliant. But anyway guys, that's it. So there's my little setup. It adds a bit of weight to it actually, and a bit of bulk. But there you go guys, that's my GoPro Display Mod. Like I said, I'm going to do try out some vlogging very soon, so hopefully there'll be some videos of that coming up, or something of that nature, when we're sort of get a chance to get out and do some vlogging with it guys. Anyway, thanks for watching this one guys. and we will catch you on the next one. So see you very, very soon. Bye bye for now.